to see if people like living in Athens. Oh, look.
So what do you guys
Ladies,
like
can we ask you a couple questions real quick?
Yeah. What do you guys like about Athens?
Well, I like living here. There's lots of stuff to do. The education's good. Living in Athens, we made this new invention called the iPod, and it's because we have so much education. It's the best thing ever. You want to see it?
So what's your name?
Mackenzie.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here my whole life.
Did your parents move here for somewhere else?
Yeah,
Why did they move here?
because the education was so good, and it's just awesome to live in Athens.
What sort of stuff do you like to do?
Well, I like to watch the plays, but I can't be in them because I'm a girl. But, what other stuff? I like to go to school and listen to my new iPod.
So Mackenzie, why did you move to Athens?
Well, I don't really know because I was so young, and my dad told me it was because of education and government, but let's have my dad tell you all about it. He's right here. Hi, Dad. Oh my gosh, Dad, untuck your shirt. Come here, though. Okay, they want to know all about why we moved here, so can you tell them?
The reason why I moved to Athens was they had the first democracy, and I wanted my family to have a better education, and for my daughter to have an education, and I like the way they run their
Free
government.
time in Athens.
Well, we like to go watch the plays because, of course, our boyfriends are in them, but we can't act in them because only men can.
Well, I like that, but most of all, I like watching my boyfriend train for the Olympics. They got muscles.
La la la, whatever, la la.
We got that in! So what do you guys do in your free time?
Well, we watch plays.
That's not gonna work. They're all coming out. Wait, watching my father be in plays.
No,
What? Where did it go?
ready,
In
set.
Trespian. You have to look at her.
We can't be in them because
It's only for men.
we also like to watch our boyfriends train for the Olympics.
They work out.
They got
Muscle. Boyfriends train for the Olympics. They've got muscles.
like on top of muscles. It's like, ah.
We moved here because I wanted my family to have a better education, and to have a better education, and because oh my god.
No, you guys gotta